Hello, my name is Mila and I am a hurricane. I would like to share with you all about us hurricanes, including how typhoons and cyclones are all the same, just formed in different oceans. Get ready to be blown away. Did you know that us hurricanes get to be around 50,000 feet tall? That is over 15,000 meters, or about 10 golden years of mountains stacked on top of one another. That's a beautiful mountain in Western Canada. But for me to come to life, I need warm ocean water and at least 27 degrees Celsius. And a nice steady breeze that is at least 119 kilometers per hour. Anything less, and I am just a storm. And if the wind isn't steady, I fall apart. I'm okay. How I am formed. First, the air above the warm ocean rises. Then, new air takes its place and warms up as the air rises, cools down and forms clouds. Then the consistent breeze helps the cycle continue and grow. Now, once I'm alive and growing, I can reach high wind speeds and new categories. And there are 5 categories. In category 1 is wind speeds of 119 to 151 kilometers an hour. If I pick up speed, I hit category 2. 152 to 175 kilometers an hour is category 2. Then, if I pick up more wind, then I can become category 3 hurricane. If I reach the speeds of 176 to 208 kilometers an hour though. I really have to get somewhere safe if I become a category 4 hurricane, because that is 209 to 250 kilometers an hour. Anything above 251 kilometers an hour is a category 5. And you should grab some emergency kit and find a safe place until I pass you. Now, here are some interesting facts. In the northern hemisphere, we spin clockwise. And in the southern hemisphere, we spin counterclockwise. And did you know, us hurricanes happen near North America in the Atlantic and Eastern Pacific. If I am in the South Pacific and Indian Oceans, I am called a cyclone. If I form in the Western North Pacific, I am called a typhoon. Okay, folks, that's it for now. I'd like to become a small hurricane, actually a big hurricane, and land myself on the east coast of Nova Scotia. And now, I'm going to spin myself to Nova Scotia. Okay, I'm back, everybody. And I would like to share with you all of the stuff that I picked up in Nova Scotia. I picked up a meter stick. I picked up a protractor. I picked up a pen. I picked up a glasses kit thingy. What's inside? Are there any glasses? Oh no, I stole someone's glasses. A pencil. A ring. A broken paper clip. A hair elastic. A worm. Barbie handcuffs. Let's fix this. Okay, there we go. A snail. Oh, sorry. A dog toy. A pirate hat. Oh, pirate hat. A bulb, also known as an ornament. A computer mouse. A picture of me when I was 7. Oh wait, no, that's a human. I am not a human. A remote. A dog survived my hurricane storm. You're lucky, little guy. Girl. And yes, that is all the stuff I picked up. Goodbye. Going to spin myself with the dog.